I'm singing a song called Thinking of You by Katy Perry, and right now I might not sing good, and I might not be the singer, but I really like the song. So I'm gonna sing it. Comparisons are easily done once you had a taste of perfection, like an apple hanging from a tree. I'd pick the ripest one. I still got the seed. You said move on, where do I go? I guess second best is long I will know. 'Cause when I'm with him, I am thinking of you, thinking of you. What you were doing, you were the one who was spending the night. Oh, I wish that I was looking into you.